Thank you for tuning in. On this episode, I attend my first drag and drive event as a spectator. It's the first day of Sick Week 2023 in Orlando, Florida. I'll be joined by my good friend Georgia, so enjoy the racing and our shenanigans. Please like and subscribe. The fun thing about Sick Week is you got lots of people to help diagnose your problem, and I think the situation here is, ain't got no motor.
I would like to know about this beautiful blue car.
Well, this is 1970 Chevy. It's turbocharged. Got the turbocharger right on the top. It's got an alternator. That's good. Makes deuces.
What can you tell me about the side of the car?
It's blue. Am I wrong?
No, you're absolutely. Oh, it is blue. I see it. It is blue.
Mark. So here we are with Kat and Kat and Greg. They're also huge fans of Vice Grip Garage. Here we are with the Vanishing Paint, and we also got the Monte Barro. Of course, you guys are obviously drooling over these cars as much as I am, right? So what you said, you actually ran into Derek at the O'Reilly's at one point?
No, he came to the O'Reilly that was half a block from my house.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, and today we got to meet Jessica. She was here this morning.
Awesome. Very cool.
She said Derek was coming on shortly.
Awesome.
I'm sure the car is here. He must be here.
Exactly. So you
He's
guys...
not eating, so...
I did see him eating. I didn't want to bother him. But... So you guys enjoying Sick Week so far? Like, this is your first time?
Yeah, this is our first time.
First one.
Awesome.
We won't be going to the other ones because, you know, job.
Oh yeah, there's that thing, life. You call in sick. Sick Week. No, that was good.
Sick for a week.
Do you know where the alternator is?
Yes.
Well, where's the alternator? That's... No, that's not it. Can you point out the water hose?
Yes.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Close. Yeah, I guess that technically works. Can you point out the blinker fluid reservoir?
Yes. It's in the back.
Okay, good. 100% right.
No? Oh. Wait.
No.
It's usually in the front, but this is a specialty type of car.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm ready. I'm acing this time.
Ah, you're doing great. You're doing great. Now I heard that only guys that wear cut-off jeans, shorts, and New Balance shoes drive Corvettes. I think it's true.
Where's the dipstick?
Right here. You're not in my video anymore.